Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Recently, I've been seeing this Klondike Adventures hack method showing up all over the internet. A lot of players are claiming you can get free gems and energy using nothing but your phone. At first, I honestly didn't buy it. It sounded way too good to be real, so I decided to test it myself and find out what actually happens. In today's video, I'm going to show you every step I took from start to finish, and at the end, we'll open Klondike Adventures together to see the final results. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it really quick in your profile or in the settings menu. For me, it took a few seconds literally. Once I had it, I just copied it and saved it somewhere safe so I wouldn't lose it for the next steps. Super easy, nothing complicated. Next, I just opened the browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but any browser works fine. I typed in the site that everyone was talking about. When it loaded, there were no sketchy pop-ups or weird redirects. The page actually looked pretty clean and normal. Honestly surprised me. Once I got to the page, I searched for Klondike Adventures rewards and bonus resources hack. Then, I selected my device. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. After that, I entered my player ID, checked that everything was correct, and tapped Continue to move to the next step. Then came the part I was most excited for, choosing which rewards and boosts to try for my Klondike Adventures progress. Since I wanted to fully test things out, I selected the biggest option available. After I confirmed it, a few loading bars appeared while everything processed. The steps on the screen were clear and easy to follow, so the whole process felt simple. There was one quick final step at the end, and it only took a moment. I already finished that earlier, so let's jump ahead and see the results. So, here's the final result. I opened Klondike Adventures again and checked my gems and energy totals. The extra rewards were already there and ready to use right away. No restart, no waiting around, no extra steps. Everything appeared instantly, which honestly surprised me. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried something like this in Klondike Adventures and how it worked out for you. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next time I test more Klondike Adventures tricks, bonuses, and updates. See you in the next video.